Hi, I am founder of NGM. I started this company 35 years ago.
Hi, I'm a garage gemologist from GIA Carlsbad and looking after the gemstone sourcing and manufacturing at NGM with all the customers' requirements kept in mind.
Hi, my goal is to provide long-lasting relationship with my clients along with providing best quality products for you.
My main focus is on marketing, branding, and building relationship with our clients.
As a gemstone manufacturer, we combine expertise, precision cutting, and ethical sourcing. A third-generation family business, established over 35 years ago and located in the heart of Bangkok City. We believe that excellence is not created overnight. It is built through a generation of expertise, integrity, and passion. For generations, we have traveled the world's most renowned gemstone mining sources to bring exceptional gemstones directly to you. From precious to semi-precious stones, our passion lies in providing the best quality at wholesale prices. With a commitment to precision and quality, we have established ourselves as a trusted name in the world of LooseGemstones.
Every rough gemstone carries a story. We spend time on every piece of rough to understand its ultimate potential and decide what its destiny will be on its maximum value. This quantified throughout the sizes, from sizes smalls to larger single stones, it's what forms our company's standards. Our manufacturing process is driven by detail orientation at every stage, from careful selection of raw materials to expert cutting, polishing, grading, and finishing. Each gemstone is handled by skilled professionals who understand that true beauty lies in the finest of details. Using advanced equipment and strict quality control measures, we ensure consistency, durability, and brilliance in every product we deliver. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure enables us to meet international standards while maintaining the artistry and care that defines our work.
NGM, crafting excellence, delivering trust.